Hello, hi. How are you doing? I'm currently in a place called Kericho in Kenya. I'm trying to upload a video, but it's not working. I'm really trying hard to make sure I upload no matter how busy I get at work. But the app that I'm currently using, or the software that I'm currently using to export videos, is letting me down. It has crashed. Yeah, so it's giving me a lot of trouble. I'm really trying to do that. Anyway, my major reason for coming here today is just to show you a room tour of how my room looks in Kericho. The payment is 1,200 Kenyan shillings per night. Yeah. Anyway, let me show you my room, and that will be it. I know currently I've not been uploading a lot of videos because it's been a bit hectic at work. I think I'm tired because I just came to this place. Yeah, anyway, that is what is happening in a nutshell, but let me show you the room. Bye, see ya. So this is outside, and then here's my door. And then when you come in, this is how it looks like. Let's close the door first. So that is how it looks like from the door. And then on this side, that's how it looks like. So here's the mirror. That's me. Hi. Kericho is a bit cold, so hence the dress code that I have today. And then here we have the washroom. So this is how it looks. That's the look. And then from this side, this is how it looks. And from here, this is how it looks. And let me show you on the door side. That's how it looks. Actually, I had not realized I have a place to hang my stuff when I'm taking a shower. Yeah, so basically that's the bathroom. And then it's not a big house. It's just there. And then from the doorway, I have at least 2 desks that are working. And then on this side, I have a TV. I'm not so sure where the remote is, but that's the TV. The connection. This is the app that keeps letting me down. Anytime I get to at least 8%, it goes off. So let's see if it's still going to be working after 7%. So that's the app I'm using. Yeah, so that's my laptop bag and my handbag, and a few drinks that I was taking on my way to Kericho. And then here I have my bed. That's how the bed looks. Let me show you again. That's the bed, and that's how it looks. Yeah, and then that's another side. Then the dustbin. Then here I have my bag with a lot of clothes. As usual, I overpack. Anyway, Kericho is cold, so it's not a lot of clothes, but I have a lot of warm clothes, hence the bag being this big. Me and overpacking. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you soon. Have a good night. Have an awesome time. Talk soon. Bye bye.